My name is Elvin Howard Jr. I'm the president of the Elvin Howard Senior Pancreatic Cancer Advocacy Foundation, which was the brainchild of my mom after my father passed of pancreatic cancer.
When he was diagnosed, his insurance would not cover certain tests.
Pancreatic cancer disproportionately affects people of color.
The cancer mortality rates, they're much higher for people of color.
And if we do know and understand why is it that we are disproportionately affected, we can tackle that directly and perhaps bring those numbers down.
I'm Cindy Gavin, founding executive director of Let's Win Pancreatic Cancer. Let's Win is an online platform that connects doctors, patients, and researchers with the latest treatment options for pancreatic cancer.
We hope to get in the mix of all of those things that the people of color have not been able to be privileged to.
Our commitment is that all patients, regardless of race, demographic, socioeconomics, or native language, should have access to the best treatment options for pancreatic cancer.
My hopes is that more information is passed for those who may not have the insurance, may not have the connection to health care. It's a very deadly disease, and we want to make sure everyone knows that there's hope.
I am an oncologist specializing in pancreatic cancer. I want you to know that pancreatic cancer is treatable.
We are excited about our partnership with Let's Win because it gives us a national spotlight.
My goal as a BRCA mutation carrier is to raise awareness of BRCA mutations among people of color. Let's Win PC and Elvin Howard provide a really important service to pancreatic cancer patients and their families.
I think that my father would be very proud of the work that we're doing and the partnerships that we're continuing to develop so that we can really make an impact in this space.
There are so many organizations worldwide, and ultimately we're trying to get to the same goal, which is a cure for pancreatic cancer.